Tonight, an update from the ABC 15 investigators. Does Maricopa County Attorney Alistair Riddell not understand the Brady List process, or did she simply misspeak? The Valley's top prosecutor got it wrong during a new interview.
So it raises more questions in our full disclosure investigation into so-called Brady Lists. They track officers with past lies, crimes, or other integrity issues. And the lists get their name from a 1960s Supreme Court case, which requires prosecutors to turn over all the evidence, even if it hurts their case, including negative information on problem cops. That way, the attorneys, the judge, the jury, they can know if they can trust the officer's word. But as ABC 15 investigator Dave Biskobing discovered, some top officials don't know how it works.
Phoenix Police Chief Jerry Williams also got it wrong recently, and now there's a concern about Adele.
It was an interview just published this week.
Recent news coverage.
The Legalese podcast, in partnership with ASU's Sandra Day O'Connor College of Law, separately interviewed both County Attorney Alistair Riddell and her opponent Julie Gunnigal about criminal justice reform. The host raised our Brady List reporting and asked Adele the following question.
What is your position on Brady lists? What will your office do to ensure these lists are up to date and shared with other counties, and the relevant information is made available to defense counsel?
As part of a 90-second answer, Adele said this about the process.
And that is a disclosure issue, meaning our lawyers, when they see integrity issues, send that off to the judge, and a defense attorney is notified, and a judge makes the decision if something should be disclosed.
When you hear that, what do you think?
It's absolutely incorrect. It's not true. That's not the way it's done. That's complete fiction. Judges don't decide on disclosure.
Matthew Marner is a Valley defense attorney.
Horrifying and very, very surprising to hear the head of their office say that that's the way it's done, because it's not.
Now, Marner says there is a role a judge could have, rule if Brady files will be admissible in trial. But the law requires Brady material to be disclosed to the defense no matter what, automatically. ABC 15 also checked with a handful of other attorneys about Adele's comments. They agree with Marner and agree that what Adele said is wrong. They also say they've repeatedly dealt with county prosecutors who do not understand Brady.
I've had prosecutors ask me, what does Brady entail? When I asked them, hey, what's your process for Brady disclosure? Didn't even know what Brady entailed. And this is 50-year-old case law.
We reached out to Alistair Riddell's office for comment to ask about what defense attorneys were saying. The county attorney released this statement. I misspoke, and the process is that a judge determines admissibility of Brady material in a trial, and disclosures are made directly to the defense. That said, there are instances where a judge may still conduct an in-camera review of disclosure materials when appropriate. I'm investigator Dave Biskobing, ABC 15, Arizona.